Jonathan here, racerdirect.net, demonstrating our headlight sealant package. Comes in a polish and a sealant. We sell it as a kit and also sold separately. Again, damp microfiber towel, so you don't use a lot of your product. Just a little bit of amount on there, about a teaspoon or so. We've got an 06 Honda here. I don't think the lens covers have ever been done from what it looks like. Again, nice circular pattern. Kind of work the product in there. Remember, working the product is going to be your friend. You know, you start getting a little bit less, put some more on it. That's what's actually doing the work, not your elbow grease. And take the other side of your rag and use the sealant if you like. This is a paste. Get about a teaspoon amount. Baby smooth. Looks brand new, folks. Try it out, you won't be disappointed.